Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI.
This dish rack is absolutely amazing for any small kitchen that doesn't have a lot of room for dishes. For a small dish rack, there's plenty of space. Not only do you have a lot of room for your cutlery, but your cutlery isn't just sitting in water and not draining, or even draining onto your counter. It actually has a lip so that the water drains right into the tray. What's nice too is that the tray of this dish rack has legs, so it keeps it higher off the counter, allowing room for the water to drain from the bottom of the tray into your sink. Not only does it have room for your glasses and cups, but my favorite part of this whole entire tray is that it has a spot for your wine glasses, so when you put it in the rack, they don't break. This dish tray has really helped me turn a messy kitchen into a clean, neat one, where I can have the dishes dry all in one spot. I'm so happy to have this dish rack.
And that's my point of view.